How to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device. As you launch that, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection and you have logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the settings icon. As you tap on settings icon, tap on the account center option available over here. As you tap on accounts, what you can simply do is tap on the accounts over here by scrolling down a bit. So just tap on accounts and here you can see there's the option of remove over here for your Instagram profile. So you can just tap on remove over here, and as you tap on remove, it gives you a pop-up that if you really want to remove your profile from your account center. So here you can just tap on remove account and that's how you'll be able to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.